Students will have a choice of 3 tools to use for collaborative writing. The first is Microsoft Word. What they'll need to do is open a document, name it, upload it to the cloud, and then they can share it with as many contributors as they like. Each contributor has a different coloured cursor, so you can easily see who's working on the document in real time. And they can also comment about the changes they're making. One of the disadvantages I see of Microsoft Word is that not many of my students have access to this particular tool, and they're quite unfamiliar with it compared to the others. The second tool is Zoho Writer. This is very similar to Google Docs and works in a very similar way. One of the biggest differences is it's quite busy in its editing mode. You track changes. It's very obvious to see where changes are being made, and you can comment, chat out on the side about the work that's being done. The students particularly like this particular feature, as do I, because it makes for quite a quiet classroom. And the third option is going to be Google Docs. What students will do after they've shared a document is they would go from the usual editing mode that opens up when you open a document to suggesting mode. And once it's in that mode, it's very easy to see when things are being changed or suggestions are being made. It also automatically opens this comment box where remarks can be made and exclamations made. The big plus with this one is that my students are very familiar with Google Docs and feel quite comfortable using it.